Scene script. Have you ever wondered what the future of finance looks like? Today, we explore this topic in depth. We currently inhabit a world where finance is ruled by traditional banking systems. For centuries, these institutions have been the pillars of our economies, holding the reins of monetary transactions and economic policies. But as we stride into the 21st century, we see a shift. The emergence of digital transactions is reshaping the way we think about money. Tap-and-go payments, online shopping, digital wallets, these aren't just conveniences anymore, but a fundamental part of our daily lives. In this digital age, we're seeing a surge in the use of fintech, financial technology. It's not just about making payments easier, but also about making them faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Fintech is a revolution that's changing the face of finance as we know it. But here's a thought that might sound radical today, but could be commonplace tomorrow. What if the future of finance isn't in banks, but in blockchain and cryptocurrencies? Now you might ask, blockchain, cryptocurrencies, aren't these just buzzwords? Well, they might be buzzwords today, but they could be the bedrock of the future's financial landscape. Blockchain, a technology that promises transparency and security like never before, is creating a new paradigm for financial transactions. It's a decentralized system where no single entity holds power. And cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are digital currencies that use this technology. They are not controlled by any government or central bank, offering a level of freedom and privacy that traditional currencies cannot. Imagine a world where your money isn't just numbers in a bank account, but a digital asset, secure and accessible only by you. A world where transactions are not just fast, but instantaneous. A world where financial systems are not just secure, but transparent. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, we are left with questions, possibilities, and a sense of curiosity. What does this mean for our economies, for our societies, for us? To understand the future, we must first understand the fundamentals of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. You've probably heard the term blockchain thrown around, but what exactly is it? Simply put, blockchain is a type of database. But unlike traditional databases that store information in a centralized system, blockchain operates on a decentralized framework. Imagine it as a chain of blocks, where each block represents a record of a transaction. These blocks are linked using cryptographic principles, allowing for a secure and transparent environment for transactions to take place. Now, the beauty of blockchain is its immutability. Once a block is added to the chain, it can't be changed or removed. This makes the blockchain a historical record of all transactions that have ever happened in the network, from the very first to the most recent. But don't be fooled into thinking that blockchain's relevance is limited to cryptocurrencies. In fact, its potential reaches far beyond that. In supply chain management, for example, blockchain can increase efficiency and transparency. It can track the movement of goods, their origin, and even monitor environmental conditions during transport. This means you, as a consumer, could trace the journey of your coffee beans from the farm to your cup, ensuring ethical sourcing and quality control. In healthcare, blockchain could revolutionize patient data management. Imagine a world where patient records are stored on a blockchain, allowing for immediate, secure access to a patient's history by any authorized healthcare provider. This could significantly improve the quality and speed of care. Even in voting systems, blockchain can play a pivotal role. By recording votes as transactions, we can eliminate possibilities of vote tampering and fraud. This ensures a transparent and secure democratic process, where every vote is verifiable and countable. So as we can see, blockchain isn't just a buzzword, it's a groundbreaking technology with the potential to transform various industries and disrupt traditional systems. Now that we have a grip on blockchain, let's delve into the world of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies, digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. But there's much more to them than that. At their core, cryptocurrencies are digital assets designed to work as mediums of exchange. They use strong cryptographic techniques to secure financial transactions, control the creation of additional units, and verify the transfer of assets. Now, let's dive into the world of the most known ones, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It's widely recognized for its innovative blockchain technology, which allows for secure peer-to-peer transactions to occur anywhere in the world. This decentralization means it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. On the other hand, Ethereum, created in 2015, not only operates as a digital currency, but also has a feature that allows for programmable transactions known as smart contracts. These contracts are self-executing, with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. This offers a higher level of security and reduces reliance on intermediaries. One unique feature of these cryptocurrencies is their anonymity. While all transactions are public and traceable, the identities of the people involved remain private, unless they choose to link their personal information to their cryptocurrency wallets. Speaking of wallets, these are digital storage spaces for your cryptocurrencies. They can be online or offline, each with its own pros and cons. Then there's mining. This is the process by which new cryptocurrency units are created and transactions are verified. It involves solving complex mathematical problems, and miners are rewarded with a token of the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain are already transforming finance, but what does this mean for the future? Let's move on to the next scene to find out. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies aren't just buzzwords, they're the building blocks of a new financial era. Imagine a world where financial transactions occur instantaneously without the need for intermediaries or centralized authorities. Imagine a world where financial systems operate with absolute transparency and impeccable security. That's the promise of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. At the heart of this revolution is the concept of decentralization. No longer are our financial systems controlled by a handful of powerful institutions. Instead, the power lies with us, the users. This shift could democratize finance, making it more accessible and equitable for everyone, regardless of where they live or how much money they have. Blockchain technology brings robust security to the table. By storing data across a network of computers rather than a single server, it makes it incredibly difficult for hackers to compromise the system. Each transaction is encrypted and linked to the one before it, creating a chain that's virtually tamper-proof. This could significantly reduce fraud and corruption, making our financial systems safer and more trustworthy. But this future isn't without its challenges. The regulatory landscape for blockchain and cryptocurrencies is still in its infancy and is fraught with uncertainties. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate these technologies without stifling innovation, and there are adoption barriers to overcome. Many people are still wary of digital currencies, and there's a steep learning curve for those who are new to the technology. However, these challenges aren't insurmountable. As awareness grows and technology advances, more and more people are starting to see the potential of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Businesses are investing in blockchain solutions, and governments are exploring digital currencies. It's an exciting time to be in finance. The future of finance is not set in stone, but it is clear that blockchain and cryptocurrencies will play a significant role. They're not just transforming the way we do business, they're reshaping the very fabric of our financial systems. And we're just at the beginning of this journey. As we stand on the brink of a financial revolution, it's important to stay informed and prepared. We've journeyed together through the intricacies of blockchain, the technology that underpins cryptocurrencies and which promises to transform not just finance, but a multitude of other industries. We've delved into the world of cryptocurrencies, digital assets that are shaking up the traditional financial landscape and which offer the promise of a decentralized, secure, and inclusive financial future. One cannot overstate the importance of understanding these developments. As our world becomes increasingly digital, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are set to become an integral part of our daily lives. They're not just about speculative investments or tech industry buzzwords. They're about redefining the very foundations of how we transact, how we trust, and how we build economic systems. Throughout this video, we've touched on the potential of these technologies and the challenges they face, the regulatory landscape, the technical hurdles, the cultural shifts. These are all pieces of the puzzle. But as we've seen, the potential benefits are enormous. Greater financial inclusion, more efficient transactions, enhanced privacy, and the potential for truly global economic systems. The key takeaway from this video is simple. Keep learning. The world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is complex, and it's constantly evolving. The more you understand, the better you'll be able to navigate this new financial landscape. Whether you're looking to invest, to innovate, or simply to understand the world around you, knowledge is power. And in the world of digital finance, knowledge is also security, opportunity, and freedom. We're living in exciting times. The future of finance, once a realm of banks and governments, is now being written by coders, entrepreneurs, and ordinary people around the world. The future of finance is here, and it's digital. Are you ready for it?